Welcome to Vitrium's how-to video series. In this video, we're going to be examining DRM policies. DRM policies are the settings that control permissions and restrictions to your content. They define things such as who can access your content and how. They control subscription or date range-based access, can determine browser or device limits, outlines print limits, and more. Vitrium's device limits are set in the General Settings of the DRM Policy tab. Here in the middle, we can see that we have a PDF Adobe limit as well as a web browser limit. Most policies that we see define this with 1 and 3. However, this can be customized to whatever your use case may deem necessary. If you wanted to give your end users a little more choice or flexibility in how they are accessing your content, you could instead set a combined limit. This combined limit would count web browsers and downloaded protected PDF instances in one. Let's take a look and see how this might look on the activity log. Here we can see that support@vitrium.com has a few entries in the activity log. In the app column, we can see that several different apps have been used to access the same content. We also see that there are some VC3 errors listed. If we hover over this, we will see that that means that we have exceeded our device limit. Vitrium supports both Adobe and PDF Exchange for downloaded protected PDFs. Because we had an Adobe limit set to 1, we can see that Adobe Pro has accessed this content first and created the tracking ID that we see listed in this column here. Above, we can see that PDF Exchange was the app used with a different tracking ID, but this is where we met that VC3 error. This means that the DRM policy applied with a limit of 1 for the downloaded protected PDF is working as expected. We can also see that we've tried several different browsers. We've got Chrome, Firefox, and Edge, all with different tracking IDs. Because the policy that is currently applied to this account, they have a limit of 2. This means that Chrome and Firefox both have successful tracking IDs and access to this piece of content, whereas Edge created a third tracking ID, but then met that same VC3 error. When an end user who has reached their device limit tries to log in, they will see an error code appear in the top right corner here that says you have exceeded your device limit. If a user who has reached their device limit attempts to open up a protected downloaded PDF in an application that exceeds their instance allowance, they will see a message like this: you have exceeded your device limit, VC3. There are a few resources to help you navigate how to deal with a VC3 error when your end user approaches you. We've got our How to Support End Users guide, the User Activity Error Code guide, and there are also other Vitrium how-to videos. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out our other how-to videos and our knowledge base online.